Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sherkha. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Persistent Systems. Our analyst maintains buy on Persistent System with a price target of Rs 4,150. As it has been consistently delivering industry-leading performance since past several quarters and is well placed to lead growth trajectory in FY25 and 26, given the strong order book, consistent addition of new logos, strong capabilities and broad-based demand across its verticals. We expect 17.8% sales and 20.6% PAT CAGR over FY24 to 26. The management has stated its goal is to maintain top quartile growth while maintaining margins at the current level for FY25. We have cut our estimates for FY25 and 26 by 8% and 10% owing to lower margin estimates. The 10% correction stocks post quarter 4 numbers makes risk reward favorable. At current market price, the stock rates at 39.8 times its FY25 and 32.1 times its FY26 estimated EPS. Next we cover Aditya Birla Fashion and Retail. Our analyst upgrades rating on Aditya Birla Fashion and Retail to buy from hold earlier with a revised SOTP based price target of Rs 297, considering favorable risk reward. ABFRL's board approved the vertical demerger of Madura Fashions and Lifestyle business into separate listed entity called Aditya Birla Lifestyle Brands. Existing shareholder will receive shares of the new entity in the ratio 1:1. ABFRL plan to raise Rs 2,500 crore within 12 months of demerger. A large part of the fundraising will be invested in improving growth prospect of ethnic and luxury business along with reducing in debt. Aditya Birla Lifestyle Business Limited is a mature business with strong cash flow generation, which will take care of future growth prospects. Repop will be a key lever for improving growth trajectory ahead. Vertical demerger of MFL is a step towards creating independent growth engines with proper capital allocation plan, which will create value for shareholders. Current valuation of 15 times its FY25 and 12 times its FY26 EV by EBITDA is at significant discount to close peers.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.